No.
Here we are with another edition of Show Me Your Car. I have a really cool one here for you to check out now. I have Bruce here, and he's got a Volkswagen. Bruce, Craig with Show Me Your Car. Nice to meet you. Okay, tell us what you got here, Bruce. This is
63 Beetle.
A 63 Beetle.
Painted patina.
Okay.
Custom, whatever, paint, artwork, graphics, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, it's really cool. I've seen it up here last year and was admiring the car itself.
Yeah.
Like I say, you don't see these. I guess they must rust it up or something.
Went through a whole bunch of changes this winter.
Yeah, okay.
To my couple buddies, Sean and John.
Yeah, what'd you guys do to it?
Motor, transmission, wheels, tires, all kinds of stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Exhaust.
Very neat.
A bunch of billet all over the back.
Okay, cool. Now
I'm not telling you the price in case my wife sees it.
Okay, that's all right.
No,
now this is the this is the engine.
Yep, 1641.
Now, for folks that don't know this about these old Volkswagens, the engines are in the back and they're air cooled.
Yep, no radiator.
And in the front is the trunk.
The front.
Yeah.
The front trunk.
So this engine here, you said you did the
billet.
The pulleys on it.
Yeah, pulleys. All kinds of stuff, but the motor's rebuilt.
Okay.
1641, new carb, new billet valve covers, push rod tubes, alternator stand, serpentine belt system. They normally don't have serpentine belts.
Okay.
So,
do they even have belts at all?
they have a single belt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Got
what
an
is
aftermarket electronic ignition, pat downs, ignition, new distributor coil, everything.
Now, what is this thing?
That is a Ron Loomis. It's a breather box. These, since they don't have an oil. I forgot what I was going to call it. An oil pan.
Yeah.
They're notorious for, say, blow by, I guess. And what that does is that takes any of that, puts it into that box, filters it, then runs it back into the engine, so you don't really lose oil.
Okay, keeps it from blowing it out, huh?
Yeah, yep, blows it all over, but yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So it just blows it up into that reservoir tank, I guess you'd call it?
The valve covers are vented, so it goes in from the valve covers. That's where you're eliminating that crankcase pressure at, putting it in that box and coming out of that box, going into the alternator stand, which is where you put the oil.
Oh, okay. Okay, neat. Definitely. Yep. Right. And I like your little exhaust pipes on the back here. That's cool looking.
A buddy of mine in Wichita, Kansas builds those, and it sounds pretty good.
Yeah, we'll have to fire it up here after a while and see what it's like.
Yep.
Let's take a walk around.
Louder than normal, but yeah.
Walk around this
dashboard.
side.
That's one of a kind there. That is Dennis Roth, little Daddy Roth, Ed Roth's son. He did that for me.
Oh, nice.
And yeah.
Now, the Ed Roth.
Rat Fink.
Okay.
That's the original Rat Fink artist, the one that did all those cartoon cars and all that.
Oh, okay.
That's his son that did that.
Okay.
We were at a show in Troy, Missouri.
Yeah.
And he saw it and he goes, "I want to do something on that car." I was like, "Do whatever you want on that car."
Yeah, cool. So, now, so you got like a little shelf down there too.
Yeah, a little wicker basket.
Did that come like that, or did you add that?
I added it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got a short throw shifter in it. Real short. I mean, like an inch apart.
And I tell you what, this is really neat.
Yeah, all interiors redone. My other buddy did that.
He did a fine job on it.
Oh yeah, he's really good. Been doing it for a million years.
Wow. Really cool. Now, so you got this roof rack up here.
Yep.
In case you want to put some luggage up there.
Roof rack that came with the car when it was new.
Okay.
According to the previous owner.
Yeah.
But it didn't look
Are
like
you the second owner or what?
Third.
Third owner. Okay.
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep.
Are you out of here?
Yeah, I gotta pick a pizza.
All right. Nice seeing you again.
All right, great.
You take care.
That's
very
my
neat.
Baby. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I do. How you doing, John?
Right here.
Frank. Good. Well, I tried. Yeah. He's going to fire it up for us so we can hear it. pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah. Man, that sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot different.
Yeah, for sure.
Now, get out.
Need some help?
Nope, I'm good. I
Now-
had knee surgery a month ago, so
Yeah.
it's fun
Yeah,
getting
that's
in and out
not.
of there.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
For the trouble.
Yeah. Now, I remember last year you were telling me something about this sticker here.
Air Cool's Facebook page, a bunch of the St. Charles County guys got together. We didn't. I mean, we're part of the MoDubs and all that, but those are St. Louis guys. So we wanted
Okay.
something of our own, so we created our own little.
Oh,
Facebook
that's pretty
deal.
cool, for sure.
Air Cooled 636.
Yes.
Kind of just so we can keep track of where the shows are and all the mess that's
Oh,
going on.
yeah, for sure.
So, or look what we did. Look what we did.
Yeah, that's right. Well, is there anything else you want to add to showing me your car?
No,
I think
that's
we
it.
went over everything.
I think so too.
All right.
All good.
All right, Bruce. Well, hey, thank you so much
Yes, sir.
for showing me your car.